In the video for today, I'm going to show you 5 methods to find the Imei number for a lost or stolen Android phone or a keypad phone. If you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your phone was lost or stolen. I'm very sorry about that, but let me try and help you at least find the Imei number so that you can file in a missing complaint, or you could block your phone using the Imei number, blacklist or whatever. Watch my video completely till the end. The first method that I'm going to explain to you is very simple and easy. All you have to do is get hold of a laptop or a PC or a smartphone and then do a search for Find Hub. Once you do a search for Find Hub, you get all the suggestions from Google. Find Hub is basically a native application by Google that helps you track lost or stolen devices like phones, tablets, Android watches and stuff like that. So you click on the first suggestion by Google. Once you click on that link, you're going to be directed to a login page for Find Hub. Log in with the same email address that was on your lost or stolen phone. And then you're going to be directed to this page on which you get two options for devices and people. Click on devices. And you're going to see all your devices listed under that email address: phones, tablets, smartwatches, and everything. Then select the device that you are wanting to find the Imei number for. Then you click on the settings gear icon out here. Once you do that, you're going to see the Imei number for the phone. Now, you're not going to get both the Imei numbers if you had a dual SIM phone, but you're going to see one of them out here. And most probably, this is the first SIM slot Imei number. Just follow me till the end and I'm going to show you how to find both the Imei numbers. The second method is even more simpler. When you purchase the phone, you may have gotten a bill from the shop that you got your phone from, or if you had purchased your phone from Amazon or maybe Target or wherever, you could actually get to the store and ask them for a copy of your bill if you do not have one. Or if you have your bill with you at home, both the Imei numbers or at least one should be mentioned out there. Normally, these days, what happens is that when you're purchasing a phone online, at least from Amazon, you should get an invoice, and on the invoice you should be seeing both the Imei numbers. The third method to get the Imei number is from the phone box itself. So when you bought the phone, you must have gotten a box with the phone. I'm sure your phone didn't come without a box. At the back of the box, you're going to see both the Imei numbers mentioned out there. The fourth method to get your Imei numbers, and I am mentioning numbers because this method is going to help you get both the Imei numbers if you had a dual SIM phone. You could check and see if you had an extended warranty. These days when we buy a smartphone, we go in for extended warranties with different companies, maybe in India or USA or maybe Australia or Malaysia, wherever you are. So what happens is that when you apply for an extended warranty, you have to send these guys a copy of your invoice. At least. So if you're not getting your invoice, you could get in touch with the warranty company and you could ask them for the data that you had sent to them, or you could even check the email that you had sent to them. If you haven't yet deleted it, you may see or find your invoice out there, or you may just find your Imei numbers out there, or these guys are definitely going to respond to you, and once they send your data report, you could get your Imei numbers from there. The fifth method is also a fantastic option, and it is super easy to do. You don't have to run about, or you don't have to break your head too much. Just call up your network service provider or get to a physical customer support office of theirs. So in India, we have a lot of network providers. network service providers, including Vodafone, Airtel, and stuff like that. So you have two options out here. You could either call up the customer support for your network service provider and see if they can provide you with details, or what you could do is you could get to your network service provider's physical office, like a customer support point, and you could ask them for details. If you need further assistance, I'm always there to help you out. Send me an email. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.